This video offers you a comprehensive guide to the top 10 HEIC file viewers available. Part 1. Top 5 HEIC viewers for Windows 11/10/8/7. Top 1. MOBIKIN HEIC to JPG Converter. MOBIKIN HEIC to JPG Converter is specifically designed for converting HEIC to JPG or PG or JPEG formats, making it effortless to view HEIC files on your computer. How to view HEIC files on Windows 11/10/8/7 using HEIC to JPG Converter. Install and launch the HEIC player. Connect iPhone or iPad if needed. Click Add HEIC or Add File or Folder to import images. In conversion settings, pick JPG or N format. Adjust quality and select Keep EXIF data. Click Convert to transform HEIC to your chosen format. Access converted photos on your Windows PC. Top 2. XenView. XenView, developed by XenView, Inc., is a versatile image viewing and management software. It's renowned for its support for various image formats, including the modern HEIC format, making this HEIC file reader a valuable tool for photographers and image enthusiasts. Top 3. HEIC Image Extensions. The HEIC image extensions on Windows 10 offer a hassle-free way to view HEIC photos, not for editing. This HEIC viewer for Windows 10, available for free in the Microsoft Store, enables the default Photos app to open HEIC image files. Top 4. HEIC Utility. HEIC Utility is a user-centric tool designed for seamless viewing and management of HEIC high-efficiency image file format images. It simplifies the process, making HEIC files accessible computer without requiring additional software or codecs. Top 5. HEIC Image Viewer. HEIC Image Viewer excels at effortlessly displaying HEIC images. This app for opening HEIC files provides a user-friendly experience, eliminating the need for additional complex setups, and is an essential tool for those dealing with HEIC images. Part 2. Top 2 HEIC file viewers for Mac. Top 1. Photos app. Mac's Photos app is your HEIC opener for photo and video management, seamlessly supporting HEIC files from Apple devices, known for their quality and compression. Top 2. Preview app. Preview app, an integral Mac software, effortlessly opens HEIC files. You can set this HEIC photo viewer as your default HEIC viewer. This versatile built-in app handles both images and PDFs. Part 3. Top 3 online HEIC file readers for Windows/Mac. Top 1. Dropbox. Wonder how to view HEIC files on both Windows and Mac free? Try Dropbox. This tool serves as a reliable HEIC file viewer, accessible across various devices. Top 2. Google Photos. Google Photos, an iPhone photo viewer for Windows or Mac, offers robust support for the HEIC image format. You can seamlessly view HEIC images in the Google Photos gallery, and the built-in HEIC image viewer can also convert HEIC to JPG format. Top 3. HEIC to JPG. HEIC to JPG offers a web-based solution to view HEIC files by converting them into a widely used image format. To use this program to open HEIC files on Windows or Mac, simply visit their website, upload your files, and then download the converted images to your computer.